My name is Dr. Talha. I am an assistant professor in Department of Marketing at SBS IBA. I joined IBA in September 2021. Prior to that, I was with Fast School of Management for almost a decade. During that period, I did my PhD from University Brunei Darussalam in the area of consumer research. I did my MBA back in 2005 from IBA Karachi. So for me, coming back to IBA was quite exciting in another role. Between then and now, what I have been doing is working with different organizations in the areas of business development, marketing, strategy, and it was in August 2010 that I joined as a full-time faculty and switched to academia and consulting. During my teaching tenure at IBA and prior places, I have been teaching courses in the area of marketing, principles of marketing, marketing management, advertising, marketing communications, and I have also been actively involved in teaching and developing case studies. Case study method is something that I'm very much excited about because it gives me an opportunity to talk about business development and strategies of organizations in areas of marketing. My research is predominantly focused on case study research, which is all about organizations, their strategies, and in the recent years I have been working very actively on consumer research, consumer perceptions, their attitudes, their behaviors in relation to attitude towards advertising, what consumers think of advertising, how they react to it, and how they react to different stimuli. And I've been working on these areas for some time now, and my publications reflect that. My area of interest that I feel that I can strongly contribute to emanate from my experience in the corporate sector and also in my teaching. Mainly they are business development strategies, and consumer research also. Another area that I'm very excited about in collaborating with the industry is recruitment marketing. I strongly believe that recruitment, the way it is done in the industry, is important. Of course, it is useful, but one thing that is kind of ignored is the marketing aspect of recruitment, how the brand can be developed, how the communication can be done effectively for recruitment purposes, and that's another area in which I am interested in collaborating other than business development and consumer research.